Okay, let's look at analysis for the second day of July. But before we go into that, let's look at our trade. Let's analyze our setup for the 1st of July. I believe you took opportunity of this trade. You can see the break and the retests and the entry opportunity. This was a very good trade, a very good trade. I believe you took that trade. And this was also another entry after the market retraced back to this level. So today was a very good trading day. Okay. So let's look at what we can do for tomorrow, that is the second day of July when the market open. For those of us who didn't who missed out from today's trade, I guess it was because you didn't follow up our analysis yesterday before the market opened. So that is why you should subscribe to this channel so that you can get uh, the trade analysis before the market open for the day. So now I want to do the analysis for the second day of July. Okay, so the market will be open in the next few hours. So let's see what we can actually get from this market. Remember the rules, always drive the price between support and resistance. Now let's see, can get a trend line here. So while trapping the price, it can be vertically or horizontally. So let's trap the price and see what we can do with it. Okay. Now, remember the rules, trap the price between support and resistance. We just did that vertically. Now let's do that horizontally. Now it makes trading much easier if you can actually trap the price. Now, what should we be expecting? What should be our setup for the 2nd of July? Okay, it's very simple. It's an uptrend. Of course, you know that in an uptrend, you should be looking for only buying opportunity. Okay, for those of you who trade retracement, fine, but I only trade with the trend. So I won't be taking any trade at this level because one of my principle is to trade only to trade a buy trade only at support and not at resistance. Now you can see that this trend line is a form of resistance to this price. So there's every tendency that the market might retrace back to this level, retest this level, and go to the downside. But I won't be taking that trade because I only trade with a trend. So break of structure, retracement, you can target this level. Okay, that's your first target. I won't advise you to target this level because the market can reverse and continue to the upside, which is the original trend. So I will not be buying here. So let me advise you, don't buy the market at this level. Now, but if the market happen to, let's assume, consolidate for some time and maybe broke out from this level, retest, then I can take a trade because then I will not be taking a buy trade at resistance. Okay. So what's our setup for GBPUSD for the 2nd of May? These are set up. If the markets break to the downside and retest, if you want to sell, you can sell. But like I said, I don't trade against the trend. So, but you can look for buying opportunity at this level. If the market retrace back to this level, this is a level where you can actually look for buying opportunity because this is a support. Okay. Remember, only buy at support and not at resistance. Only sell at resistance and not at support. So you can look for buying opportunity at this level. You can look for buying opportunity at this level. And you can also look for buying opportunity at this level. So these are the three levels that once the price gets to these levels, you can look for buying opportunity. And what should you be looking for? You should be looking for engulfing candle, a bullish engulfing candle, so you can take the trade to the upside. So I won't recommend selling this pair for the 2nd of June. I won't recommend. Of course, there's a selling opportunity if the markets break down from this structure, retest it, but I won't be selling. So I'll wait for the market at this level, or at this level for me to take a trade. Okay, so this is our analysis for GBPUSD for the 2nd of July. This is our trading setup. So let's watch what the market will do. Let's watch what the market will do. And please do well to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on any analysis before the market open. I post analysis daily before the market open for all the pairs you are seeing on my watch list. So just do well to subscribe to this channel, and also take note that this video is for educational purpose only. So please do well to do your analysis, and see you in the next pair. Bye.